This is name card cutting machine, cutting for name cards. How to use the machine is easy to use. Power. So, and this size is name card size, like this. This is name card size is here. Also can adjust, click set. Paper number you can set many setting, can change language, cutting time, speed. This size is for design. You can change some for printing. Before you cutting the sheet, you need to printing right size. You can adjust card length size. You can say you can change right. Many all are for designs. When you printing the paper, you can do like this. You can say now just click start. So starting very fast, right? Name card size, right?
Now, the company is expanding various kinds of products to all customers, the same as UV printers, large format printers, CNC routers, laser equipments, cold hot laminator, paper cutter, screen pad printing machine, and all type of heat press. Join us and view more at www.crossway-industry.cn.